What's going on, Crispy Gang? Thank you for tuning in to Crispy TV. Unless you've been living under a rock or have recently came out of your fallout vault, you probably heard about the stonks craze going on with Gamestop. This is part is thanks to the mad lads over at the Wall Street Bet subreddit, boasting over 2 million users, who flipped the stock market on its head. With coordinating efforts, they have jacked up the GameStop prices over 1,500% in just 2 weeks. How did this band of ragtag retailer investors manage to topple multi-million-dollar hedge funds? Let's get into it. Wait, what's this? It's the Wall Street bets coming off the top rope. 1, 2, 3, stonks. WSB single-handedly put the financial world on notice. This proclaimed degenerate, coordinated, and monstrous short squeeze in GameStop shares, making hedge funds lose not millions or multi-millions, but billions of dollars. For those who don't know, to short a stock means the investor is betting the price of the company's share will decline. In a normal bet, which is referred to as going long, investors purchase a stock with the hopes of it increasing. But for shorting, the opposite is true. In shorting a stock, an investor will borrow shares, let's say at $5 per share. Then the investor takes the borrowed shares and sells them for the same price. Once the stock goes down to, let's say, $1 per share, the investor buys shares back and returns them to the lender, pocketing $4 per share on the process. However, a short squeeze is when they lose the bet and the stock goes up. This forces the stock to rise its price up, in turn forcing the shorts to close their positions and become buyers, sending the price even higher. Which is exactly what happened in this case. For example, if the shares were borrowed when the stock was $5 and now the stock is $10, the investor loses $5 per share. This doesn't seem like a huge loss in this example, but consider the millions of dollars that have been invested and you can see how the big dogs are pissed. Noticing the amount of losses incurred to the ones at the top, Robinhood, in a last-minute ditch effort, halted buying for GameStop shares. This forced GameStop stocks to only be sold. They even went as far as to blocking the other Wall Street bets targets such as AMC, BlackBerry, Nokia, and even Dogecoin, in an attempt to stop the spike for those respective stocks. Their excuse was due to recent market volatility, as its price skyrocketed from just around $20 to over $300. But isn't that what stocks are about? There's always volatile stocks. To me, stocks are like a casino. You can win big on any number, but you can sure lose big on any other number. It isn't a surefire thing. Investing of its own is volatile. So isn't that the name of the game? By definition, this is referred to as a form of market manipulation, which is a type of market abuse where it is a deliberate attempt to make an interference with the free and fair operation of a market and create false or misleading appearances with respect to the price or the market's products or commodities. But that's just my opinion. I'm no financial advisor, and this is purely my speculation. Robinhood has told it to be a broker for the little guy, but now that the little guy is making some money, Robinhood steps in and says, "We robbing the hood." Now that the hedge fund elites have lost at their own game, they are throwing a temper tantrum because these ragtag mad lads join forces and top of their monopoly. Even members of Congress, such as AOC, have weighed in a recent tweet. "This is unacceptable. We now need to know more about at Robinhood app's decision to block retail investors from purchasing stock when hedge funds are freely able to trade the stock as they see fit. As a member of the Financial Services Committee, I support a hearing if necessary." Ooh, mucho spicy. The BSB to the moon, baby. Fire up your rocket ships, we going galactic. This is truly a financial revolution for the ages. Is this a new wave of investing? I, for one, am truly intrigued and will definitely be keeping a close eye on this situation. Share your thoughts and opinions in the comments down below. That's been my time. Thank you for tuning in. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Crispy, tuning out.